Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about unified navigation menus. Unified navigation menus makes navigation easier for certain sets of users. If you want to give better role-based experience for navigation, you can go with unified navigation menus. I will highlight unified navigation menus on my screen. If you can see the highlighted part, these are unified navigation menus. All favorites, history, workspaces, admin, these all unified navigation menus. So let's take ITL users as an example for this demo. ITL users majorly work on incident, problem, change, reporting, etc. So let's consider a scenario where ITL user want to create a report. Let me impersonate an ITL user first. Let me go to application navigator and type reports. Here you can see there are lots of options coming up for reporting. User might get confused under which module he needs to create reports. To make it easier for ITL users, let's go ahead and create one navigation menu. Let me unimpersonate ITL user. Go back, type in unified navigation menus. Let's go ahead and create a new one. Let's name it as core ITIL. It's already active. Here this order means like lower order means further left on the screen. So let's give it as a lower order. And you can see it got created in global application since my application scope is global. And here you can hide this menu for certain roles. You can make it visible for certain roles. So I'll make it visible for ITL roles since we are configuring it for ITL users. I'll add ITL roles over here and let me save this. So now you can see you have to configure menu items. So if you take admin menu as an example, you can see admin home adoption blueprints. These are nothing but menu items. So let's go ahead and create menu items for core ITL menu. If I click on new, you can see there are two types. One is application and other one is module. You can create either application or module. Let me go with application and let me try to add incident management. I'll give an order as 10 and I'll submit it. Let me create one more menu item and still going with application, and I'll give problem management as my application. I'll change the order to 20 and submit it. Let me go ahead and create one more for reporting. So I'll change the order to 30 and I'll submit it. So this is pretty much done, and let me impersonate an ITL user and check how it looks for him. So let me impersonate an ITL user. I have impersonated an ITL user. Now you can see core ITL menu. So I can pin this menu and it will be easier for ITL users to navigate. Let's go back and change some configurations. I'll go back to the same navigation menu which we created. Core ITIL. Now let me add hidden role also as ITIL and let's see the behavior, how it behaves. It's done and let me save it. It's done. Now let me impersonate an ITL user. Now, if you notice, there is no menu item which we configured coming up for ITL user. This is because hidden roles takes precedence over visible roles. So be conscious while configuring this. So that's it for the demo. Thank you, everyone.